Emakhosini bogogo nabomkhulu ngiyanamukela ku-channel yami nesahleli nentokazi ugogo Patricia. So nginombuzo lana, right? So whenever nibona ivideo yami ibhalwe amaphupho Q&A, just know ukuthi kunomuntu obuze iphupho, then I'm responding to their question. It might be iphupho, but once ngabhala Q&A, that means question and answer. That means somebody asked something and I'm answering, right? So lo muntu uyabuza uthi gogo mina ngiphuphe ngidriver ibhasi kodwa bekathukile lo muntu ngoba uthi wayengaboni indlela, wayesaba ukuthi uzoshayisa uzothola iaccident, right? So lana mntaka dedza mntanedlozi kuchaza ukuthi wena uhamba ufanele ulithathe lisaselide. You still have a long journey that you have to take. However, kuleyo journey ewithathayo, you are in control, right? You are in control. There's no healer who's steering the wheel. There's nothing, right? You depending on yourself. But inkinga ukuthi awukakaboni noma awukakwazi ukuqhumana nedlozi lakho ukwazi ukubalalela. Remember, when I say you do you are in control, right? Kunokuthi you are in control. For instance, let's say we are phupha uphupha what can I say? Uyaphupha, right? Then you wake up, or uphelele ubuthongo. Let's say uphelele ubuthongo. You decide ukuthi no, ngiphelele ubuthongo. Okay, ithi ngalali, ithi ngithandaza. In a way, vele ukuphelelwa ubuthongo bakho, it was them saying we are here, pray, right? So that means you are able to hear them. But the minute bakubonisa wena you don't know the way, you can't see the way, you can't see where you're driving to, ungashayisa nokushayisa, it's because now you're not seeing them, their presence whenever they come to visit you, whenever they come to bring you messages, when you're not seeing them and uthukile. You are scared in your journey when uthukile, and the chances are vele, I mean, there's no way unga driver ungaboni indlela uzoshayisa. So they are saying Themba thina, we know the way, la uyakhona yithina yabo. Wherever we're trying to take you, it's us. It might be a journey to self-discovery, it might be a journey to life, to marriage, it might be, but there's a particular journey that you have to take, and unfortunately awuyiboni indlela, and ungayiboni indlela ungaphuma endleleni noma ungasafiki lapho ufanele uye khona. Don't know if it makes sense, but anyways, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Emakhosini lesedi khanya xamako mbantwana bethonga. Bye.